Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Sandhya Singh. I do makeup, fashion, DIY, haul and all kinds of stuff on my channel. And if you are interested in watching any of these, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It costs you nothing and it means world to me. So today I am here with another haul. So I have done so many hauls before this one. So if you haven't checked that out, do check that out and do like that video also. So today I'm here with Myntra, Amazon and Flipkart hauls. I have purchased a lot of items from them, literally a lot of. So today I'm gonna share with you guys these hauls. Also I've purchased like makeup, jeans, tops, jackets, bags and all of that things. So yes, do watch this video till the end and do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So yes, without any further blabbering, let's get into the video. Also, one thing more before starting off with this video is that the sale price and the original price will be mentioned on the screen and link of all the products will be listed in the description box, so you can check that out if you have interest in purchasing any of these products. So yes, let's just get into this video. Quickly, let's just talk about the makeup first. So the first thing that I've ordered is this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. So I got this one from Amazon and it retails for rupees 360 something, which is really nice according to the quality of product that you'll receive. So you will get 6.7 grams of this product, and pigmentation and everything is really nice about this highlighter. It will suit all the skin types from fair to the deep brown skin, and it is available in two shades. The shade that I'm having over here is this molten gold or fondue shade. So yes, this is the first purchase that I got from Amazon. Now talking about the second makeup product that I got is this liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild. Now I have been craving for this lipstick for so long. It retails for rupees like 600 or 500 something, and I got this from Myntra on sale for rupees 300 only, like 299. So it is in the shade Give Me Mocha, and it is the shade that I'm wearing right now. It's such a pretty nude shade, and again it will suit all the skin types from fair to dusky to a deep brown skin, and it will look beautiful on all the skin types. So it is really nice, like nude shade if you want to try that out. So again, really nice product. Again, swatches and everything will be on the screen. Now talking about the last makeup product that I've got is again from Wet n Wild. It is this their eyeshadow palette. So the shade that I'm having is Stop Playing Safe. So it has really nice colors. So again, मेरे पास जितने भी eyeshadow palettes थे, they were all of the nude shades. So I really wanted to try something colorful, and this is the eyeshadow palette that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. So it is really pigmented, and the colors and everything are really nice. Again, it is available in different like shades, so you can definitely check this out. And also I got this for rupees, I guess 350 or something. So yes, this is again really nice one, and I got this one from Myntra. So this was all the makeup that I got. Now let's just move towards the other thing, that is bag. So firstly, let me just show you the bag that I got. So this is this bag from Marston Harbour. So I've been eyeing on this bag for so long, and 800-900 से कम ही नहीं हो रहा था. But on this sale, I got this for rupees 550 around, which is a steal for this bag. Again, it was available in 3 different colors, but बाकी सारे colors out of stock हो गए थे. So I got this red one. Again, it looks really nice and color and everything is really nice. Also, इसकी capacity and everything बहुत अच्छी है. Like you can definitely go for these bags like these. So इसके अंदर like you get enough space to keep all your books and everything, and also you get 2 more chains right here. So again, बहुत ही ज़्यादा spacious है, and it looks really nice and pretty. So again, also ये बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा भी नहीं है, cause I want a medium size bag, not too like short bag. So yes, this is the bag that I got from Marston Harbour from Myntra for rupees 550 something. So the next item that I got is the sling bag from Dressberry. Now ये मैंने like February के around purchase किया था. Like if you have watched my first ever vlog on my channel, so the day I was shooting that vlog, ये bag उसी दिन मुझे receive हुआ था. So मैंने अभी इसको show नहीं किया था. So I thought why not to show you like in this haul. So this is a really nice like mint color bag. I really love the color of this bag, and also it is really small, but still मेरा phone and everything आ जाता है. So it is really nice. Also, you won't believe the price on which I purchased this bag. So again, it was again 600-700, उससे कम नहीं हो रहा था. But I got this for rupees 350 or 400ish something. So again it was a steal for this क्योंकि ड्रेस बेरी के बैग्स एंड अगेन क्वालिटी एंड एवरीथिंग इज रियली नाइस. इट हैज जस्ट वन चेन एंड एक चेन इसके अंदर है इन विच यू कैन कीप योर मनी एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड दिस ओपनिंग, यस, so it opens like this and यहाँ पे आपको एक चेन मिलता है. So it looks really elegant and nice and for 350 rupees again यार आपको ऐसा मिलेगा ही नहीं. So yes, this was the two bags that I have. Now moving towards the shoes. So the next item is these really beautiful pair of boots that I got from Amazon. It was for rupees 475 and according to the price, the quality and everything is really nice. So I got this on sale and it like initially it was for rupees 500 or 550s around. And I got this for rupees 475. It's a really beautiful like velvet finish boots. इसमें काफ़ी कलर्स अवेलेबल थे. So if you wanna check that out, do check these boots out. It is really nice and like comfortable भी है पहनने में. Also it has these block heels, so again it will give you a really elegant look. Alright, so let's just quickly move towards the clothes. So the first item that I got is from Myntra, which is their high rise or high waist jeans. So I got these jeans from the brand Tokyo Talkies. Now I already own a black jeans from this brand and it was really comfortable and like the fitting and everything was really nice. So I got this blue jeans in the same from the same brand in the same size. So again it's a really nice jeans. Fabric and everything is really comfortable, really nice to wear, and I got this for rupees 570 or something, and I think this is the highest like amount that I paid for something on this haul. So this was for rupees 570 and again it is worth the price and I really love this jeans. So the second jeans is the one that I was talking about. So this is the black jeans again from the brand Tokyo Talkies. Again size and everything will be listed in the description box, but still the size that I have ordered these jeans is size 30. So again the fabric and everything is really nice. I also got these jeans washed for like 2 to 3 times and color and everything haven't faded even a bit. So I really love the jeans. Fabric and everything again is really comfortable and nice to wear in summer as well as in winter. Now we are just left with the two items, not two, like 3 items. So the first thing is this top that I got in the really beautiful mint color. So मेरे पास इस कलर का बिल्कुल एक भी टॉप नहीं था, so I thought to buy one in this color. So this is a really beautiful top. So basically it has this net detailing all over, and the best thing I loved about this top is its sleeves. So it has this really nice toffee kind of sleeves and this net portion is like this. So this is a really pretty top, I must say. I love this top very much. So I got this top from the brand Sassafras for rupees 390 on sale, and the quality and everything of this top is really nice. Also you don't get any innerwear with this, like any slip or tube top or spaghetti top. So you don't get any of these. You have to like wear on your, you have to buy it separately. So yes, this was one of the cons, but anyways for rupees 390 it is a steal deal. So yes, this is the top I purchased from Myntra and the size that I got, this is medium. Now moving toward another top that I got, and the only thing I got from Flipkart is this really beautiful top. So again मैंने इसको सेल पे खरीदा था and you won't believe the price that I paid for this top. So let me just open this up. So basically you have seen this top a lot. So it is a wrap top. I got this in the color blue cause I don't like pink that much, and it was also available in yellow color. So again I already own a top in yellow color, so I wanted to buy this one in blue. So this is the top, how it looks, and this is how it looks. So it has these tie-ups which you have to tie around your waist because it's a wrap top, and this is how it goes, like it will be on the screen. So this was for rupees 254. Like I got this on sale for such a low price. I mean, like it was for rupees originally I guess 400 or 500, like all the time it was for rupees 400 and 500, and on sale I got this for rupees 254, which is like, come on, you won't get any top in 200 like tops like these. Now talking about the fabric of this top, now you will think कि ठीक है इतना सस्ते में मिल गया ज़रूर इसका fabric अच्छा नहीं होगा. Now I must tell you guys, fabric and everything of this top is really nice. It's really comfortable to wear in summer. This was from the brand Harpa, and you know guys Harpa के tops बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. So yes, this was from the brand Harpa. Size again I ordered this one is medium, and it was for rupees 254 only. Now we are just left with the last item that I got in this haul, and I think this is one of my favorites. Like सारे items मेरे favorites हैं, that's why I've got them. So this is the denim jacket that I got, and this I purchased from Myntra in the size medium. So this is how the denim jacket looks. Again, the color and everything is really nice. I have already worn this one for 2 to 3 times, and this is really comfortable. You like the material and everything is thick, not like too thick and not like too flimsy types. So the fabric and everything is really nice, really comfortable to wear, and it is perfect to wear in like this kind of weather when it's like slightly cold. So this is the denim jacket. I got this one from the brand Tokyo Talkies in the size medium, as you can see on the label. So I got this one from Tokyo Talkies, and the price I paid for this is again 550, which is again a steal, because again it was for like 1200 or 1300 rupees, and sale पे भी 800 का आया था, but then suddenly it was dropped to 550 rupees, and I got this. So yes, I loved this jacket so much. I was like, I am really wanting this jacket for so long. So yes, this was all the items that I got. So yeah guys, this was end of my haul. All of the items that I got was for under rupees 600, and do tell me in the comment section आपको इनमें से कौन सा item सबसे अच्छा लगा and what you're gonna purchase from this haul. So yes, if you like this video and if you have watched this video till here, don't forget to like this video and do comment and tell me which was your favorite product from this haul, and do subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.